In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your rap flow by using this one practice drill that I like to refer to as interval training, which will make your rap flow sound so much more fluid and just less restricted and rigid and constrained. And the main benefit of this particular practice is it's going to allow you to use a much larger and broader combination of 16th notes and pauses than you typically would use by default. And this is going to be a guided practice, meaning I'm going to be doing this along with you. And the format of the practice is simple. I'm simply going to rap a cadence for one bar and leave you one bar of empty space afterwards, which you'll fill in with that same cadence. Now, the most common rhythmic music note that rappers use are 16th notes. And there are 4 16th notes per beat. So you can think of 16th notes as being the beats within each beat. So let's say that I begin rapping on the second 16th note of beat 1. An easy way that I can communicate this is by saying I'm landing on beat 1.2, or the second beat of beat 1. Or if I were to pause on the 4th 16th note of beat 4, I could say I paused on beat 4.4, or the 4th beat of beat 4. And to keep things as simple as possible, we're going to use the same sounds for each cadence/interval. We will be saying the beat number for the 16th note that lands on each beat. So for an example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the second beat of each beat, we'll say ya. For the third beat of each beat, we'll say be. And for the fourth beat of each beat, we'll say duh. Using these combinations of sounds will allow us to easily keep track of the beats while using sounds that roll off the tongue, because each sound uses a different part of the mouth. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. And with that being said, we're going to cover a total of 12 intervals/cadences, and each one will be 1 bar in length. So I'll rap for 1 bar and then I'll leave you 1 bar of empty space to fill in with that cadence that I did before it. And we'll both say each cadence/interval a total of 4 times a piece before moving on to the next cadence. And for today's practice, we're going to be using an instrumental that I produced called Midnight Drive. And if you like this beat and you want to support this channel, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video's description below. Now let's get started with something easy, and then we'll advance to more uncommon, difficult cadences. Okay, for our first cadence, we're going to simply do a straight up 16th count by filling in the entire bar with 16th notes. Let's get straight to it. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. All right, now for our second cadence, we're going to do the 16th count again, but this time we're going to pause on the first and third beat. Let's get it. You better, 2 you better, 4 you better. 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 And for our third cadence, we're going to build off the last cadence, and now we're going to pause on all 4 beats. You better, you better, you better, you better. 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 Now for our fourth cadence, we're only going to land on the third and fourth beat of each beat. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. Now for the fifth cadence, we're going to basically do the 16th count, but we're not going to begin rapping until beat 1.4. Let's get it. The 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. The 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. The 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. The 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. Now for our 6th cadence, we're going to build off the previous cadence and pause for beats 1, 2, and 3 of beat 3. Let's get it. The 2 you better, the 4 you better. 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 Okay, for our 7th cadence, we're gonna land on the 1st and 4th beat of each beat. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the. Okay, for our 8th cadence, we're gonna build off our last cadence and only pause on beat 2 of each beat. 1 better, 2 better, 3 better, 4 better. 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 Now for our 9th cadence, we're gonna fill in beats 1 and 3 with 16th notes and only fill in the first beat for beats 2 and 4. 1 you better, 2, 3 you better, 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 4. Now for our 10th cadence, we're pretty much going to do the 16 count, but stop after the first beat of beat 3. Let's get it. 1 you better, 2 you better, 3. 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 Now for our 11th cadence, we're gonna land on beats 1 and 2 of each beat. Let's go. 1 ya, 2 ya, 3 ya, 4 ya. 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 And for our final cadence, we're gonna use the same move as our previous cadence, but just shift it to beats 3 and 4 of each beat. Let's go. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. Better, 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 better. As you can see, there's so many different combinations of cadences that you can create from just using 16th notes alone. And when we're rapping, we're using a combination of rhythmic music notes together all at the same time. So like 16th notes, 8th notes, 32nd notes, and triplets. So just imagine how many more possibilities that opens up. And if you're wanting to dig even deeper into perfecting your rap flow, stay tuned because I'm about to drop me a game-changing rap course that's going to help you take your rap flow to the next level and beyond. And if you're watching this in the future, I'll be sure to post a link to it in the video description below. My name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you pick yourself up a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below, and subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there?